Guys, it's just to be fair warned, the sun glaring, this is going to be horrendous. But hey, we've been given pinned for this digger graveyard by a friend. Here with another friend that wants to remain anonymous today. He's been in the video before. So here we go. This is a digger, a plant I'm going to say, because there's more than diggers here. Graveyard. And my god, there's some immense stuff here. Some real collectibles.
Transport services.
The railway behind the yard we're in is Semaphore. Got Michigan load, I think it is here. I'm not entirely sure. I better shut that door because I cambered in the cab. Got Ford backhoes. Got a proper bastard spiky shit on my feet. Some of the buckets. A Brave, must be. I don't know. I aren't that much. I know a lot about bulldozers. Stuff. I'll camber on over and get you guys some footage. Old Volvo, Massey Ferguson front loader. Old D4N military spec. Nice little move. Proper machines here. Haven't seen anything too modern. Volvo, could say 30-ton haul truck. Maybe 25, I'm not sure. But a little international. Before people ask how I know international, this one has, there you go, a very ancient International Harvester logo. A turret missing. And you got some giant Bomag. Bomag. An international that's been mated with a JCB backhoe arm. Another Volvo hill truck. Loadals. It's a screen from my thing. And this little gem here, a 605B Fiat Alice. Just proper old. This is like another channel that I watch myself. Diesel Creek has one of these, but in I think he has two of these actually, which are both in far better condition. This one's got no radiator core. Again, sorry for the bad lighting. We're here on a Maker chip to different areas. Fiat Alice cab. My shoes are covered in bubbles. If I had the money, some of these would be coming home with me. So another loaders that. Big compactors here that we're coming up to. Sun is terrible for this. Massive compactors these. See, shut. I'm not going to yank on it too much. I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure this, like Homag were before Hanomag, well, a company before Bomag, if people want to let me know. Another big old international. Right, beautiful. Beautiful. Plenty of little telehandlers, a lot of telehandlers. Right. Hills Waste, it says. Loaders. Stuff in the trees here. I'm not going to show, I can't show because I ain't going to climb in too much. An international. M5. But all that very engineering focused. The old girls were. It's all been built, bodged, repaired, should I say. Trains aren't too bad either. Some of it's immense. I believe this is an old Lee Bear, but I'm guessing by the colours and the style. This is Jumbo on the boom, but I don't know what that is. Signs. A little loader. That looks like Kubota colours or case. Some have been involved in fires. I've got another international loader. A Volvo loader. A Jumbo that girl is. Again another military spec telehandler or loader. Another JCB forklift here. Yeah, that's it. Another more modern. I think that's the most modern plant I've seen here. I think in this case, again, people see stuff. Another big bow mag. No, not big plant, not massive. Known age of the plant. Hand mag, it's pretty stripped down. Ford excavator. Massey Ferguson trucks. Power size, they're interesting. JCB's their size. Plenty of spares here for diesel. Plenty of spare international stuff here. Loads of it. Daewoo. Big loader. Couldn't quite work out if this one is a JCB or another international. No, it's gone. For a speed power slide. These were before D4Ds. Nice. Some gem. What are you saying with toys? What you just borrowed? Yes. So I want to do some decent pictures. Proper old, amazing plant. Just like that little Kit Kat D4D. It's a massive, great big bow mag compactors. Immense size, some of this. And sweeper. You've got another international down there. No, that's the D6, I think. So D6 or so, I'll go have to look it up. Another international. Size of these, Nige. These things. Yeah. It's got no load operator's cabin. Rabbits running around it, is that time of year? No. I know this is a throw. Dwight's throw. I thought it might be bloody cat. I could fucking just stay in my shoes. Go loaders. Here's another D4D. Not many excavators here. I don't think it's a power slide, I think it's an early fixed boom. It's another. Need to be careful. Car we're in. Crime. Crime. Not literal crime for one. Shock. It's rain out today. Loads and loads of rare stuff here. Well, I say rare. Rare for in the UK to see. Screens. That's another international bulldozer, a track loader. Oh, there's a little, is that an Evening and Porter as well? There's a road marshal there. A roller. Another conveyor belt system. I don't know what that logo says. No Ford. Oh! It's like a Komatsu, sorry, I'll say it properly, and it is. And a shed down, there's a shed there. What's left of the shed. Right guys, there's going to be tons of pictures on the back of this from my good camera. So I'll wave goodbye and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.